Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I am going to be showing you some of my floral tips and tricks here and some little demonstrations. I'm going to start off with some side view of some of these roses. I have like the great big ones in the middle that I do all the time, and I thought I would share some of the just like the different viewpoints here. So like I said, I'm going to do a couple of the side ones, and then I do start off in the middle, and then you can see that I only work up the one side a little bit more than the other, because again, this is the side view, so you don't want it to be too full on both the sides. And I'm going to use the same technique here on 3 different flowers, with just some different colors. And if anybody is curious, I am using the White Nights watercolors. And then I have the pastels that I love. They're separate up there in that little tin. Also here I wanted to show quick on how to create these really easy 4-petal flowers. And once you get done with your petals there, I let mine dry up for a few minutes, and then you'll see in the end photo I went in with a deeper shade of purple just right in the center. And for the colors with the White Night pastels, I have, it's like a lilac up there, that really light purple I used first, and now I really love this minty green color as well. They're both really cute for springtime. And for in between the florals here, I am going to use some short strokes, and I'm just looking around and seeing where like the spaces look a little too empty, just so everything looks nice and full and connected. Just going to add a couple more leaves and some like little wispy pieces and some baby leaves. And also I wanted to mention that the larger, like the big poofy looking flowers there, they are just the 4-petal flower, but you're going to keep going around and extending all your petals. They're actually really fun and easy to do as well. So you can practice on a separate sheet and get them as big as you'd like them to be. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little demonstration here and some tips. Be sure to like the video, subscribe. I have an overall view here coming up of the finished artwork, and I'll see you next time.